Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about basic maintenance of your Honda pull saw and hedge trimmer attachments, which are both available as part of the Honda VersaTach system. Just like any other machine, trimmers need some maintenance too. For the hedge trimmer attachment, it's pretty simple. Just make sure to lubricate the blades before and after use. It's a good idea to do a quick inspection as well to make sure they're in good working order. For the pull saw, make sure it has the correct capacity of bar oil in the reservoir. Do an inspection of this tool as well and pay attention to chain tension and sharpness. If your attachment needs a service or you'd like more information on these products, contact your local Honda Power Equipment dealer. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda bucket hat as well as the first aid kit. Question: how many attachments are available for the Honda VersaTach system, not including the extensions? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.